There is no better sight than watching him bat at his best. That's a nasty delivery. Must have hurt. Bowler will have to be extra careful of the line he bowls to the field. And he helps himself to a six. Here we go. Wonder where the next one is going to fly. What a great ball. Look at that. Ball thrashing into the stumps. Spinner into the action from the other end. Batsman getting ready to face his first ball. That is in the air and in the gap as well. Goes for four. He seems to have carried his form from the last match. That is a superb shot of a cricket ball. Oh, he has got a wide range of shots. What is he going to do next? The bowler missing his line here, and that's a wide. There is a fielder at deep extra cover. That is a nice shot. Timed it beautifully for four. Well, he has got the license to go here. Crowd is going crazy. Oh, lovely shot. That is a beauty. That will be four. This is scintillating batting. Wonder where the next one is going. That's four. Didn't time that well, but definitely will be pleased with the result. It is showtime. Crowd going mad here. That is a boundary. That is in the air and in the gap as well. Goes for four. That is a careful of the line he bowls to this field. That's 4. Didn't time that well, but definitely will be pleased with the result. There is no better sight than watching him bat at his best. That is a beautiful shot. It's from early. Here we go. Wonder where the next one is going to fly. Called in, and the stumps go for a toss. Change in bowling here, spinner into the attack now. Slips in place. That's gone high in the air, and that's gonna clear the boundary for 6. He seems to have carried his form from the last match. Trying to up the run rate there, a very good shot in the end. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one. Nudges it for a single. They're converting ones into twos and twos into threes here. That is excellent running. He has been ruthless against the spinners in this series. That's into the gap. Should look for 2. That is excellent running between the wickets. They would definitely have a score in their mind. That is brilliant work by the wicketkeeper, and he has got the batsman out stumped. Has to walk back to the pavilion. Batsman getting ready to face his first ball. Oh, bowled him! Chopped it onto the stumps. Has to walk back to the pavilion. Pacer introduced from the other end. Batsman getting ready to face his first ball. Missed that completely. He had no option but to go for it at this stage of the match. They have run the first one quickly and should be looking for 2. That's poor running between the wickets. The bowler will have to be extra careful of the line he bowls to this field. He has hammered that, and that sails into the crowd for a 6. Oh, he has got a wide range of shots. What is he going to do next? Straight up in the air, and that's a 6. Well, he has got the license to go here. Crowd is going crazy. Great shot. He has dispatched that, and the fielder can only watch it land into the crowd. Last ball of the innings coming up. Chance of a run out, and that's out. First innings comes to a close. The target is set.